Hey, Bruce here, the Boomer Consumer, and this is the new Redragon K577R mechanical gaming keyboard. The keyboard was sent to me at no cost or review. However, all opinions are my own, and no one has reviewed this video prior to posting. I'm providing my affiliate link below if you would like one for yourself. This 104 key gaming keyboard comes with 19 different backlight modes and 8 different dedicated gaming modes. You can even create 2 of your own if you want to create some custom modes. No special software or drivers are necessary, and yes, it will work with a Mac. Unboxing the keyboard, it comes wrapped in bubble wrap package. It also has a keycap puller, and the included user manual has clear instructions for controlling the light. You want to hang on to that, folks. You really do. Unwrapping the keyboard, you can feel how solidly constructed this thing is. With a braided 1.8 meter USB cable that's got gold-plated connector, so we don't have to worry about oxidation. It's a really nice touch. And once it's connected, it's going to go into its default lighting mode, and wow, be ready for an explosion of color. Weighing 2.23 pounds and measuring 17.6 inches in length, 6 inches in depth, and 1.6 inches in height, this 104 key keyboard features the Ultimu brown switches with N key rollover. Redragon claims these keys have the feel of black switches for the straight up and down feeling. And I gotta tell you, after typing on it for about 2 weeks, I can attest to the quality feel of these keys. The lighting effects are where things I think get really interesting. So you get 19 different background effects, and those can be controlled by a combination of using the function key and the insert, delete, home, page up, page down keys. And then using function and the up and down arrow controls the brightness, but there's even more options. So there's 8 different dedicated gaming modes for first-person shooters, Crossfire game mode, there's Call of Duty game mode, RTS game mode, there's LOL game mode, NAB game mode, car game mode, and a second LOL game mode. So lots to do there. And as I said, you can create 2 of your own custom game modes if you wish. The lighting for the bottom of the keyboard can be changed using the function key and the print screen key. You can even turn off all the lighting and do a factory reset at any time. As for the clickiness of the keyboard, well, take a listen. So after using this keyboard for work and playing some first-person shooters, I can tell you, this keyboard offers excellent typing, and it does have fast and responsive keys. And well, just amazing RGB lighting goodness. For around 50 bucks, this keyboard is a keeper. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.